tested the salinity in the water, also the cleanliness.
Yeah, that's awesome. Aw. Cool.
$7.07. I always forget it's on my watch.
I know. I love that. I love that.
All right, we got everybody.
I'm sure that's fine. I don't know if they're. Wow, the kelp is really thick.
It is
You don't
very
realize
thick.
it, you know, like when we were on the water yesterday.
Yeah.
You get stuck there on a paddleboard.
Yeah.
So after every meeting, they say, "What's the newest, latest, greatest activity?" I say, "The zip line from here to Nelson's." So hopefully one day.
That's cool.
They won't let every meeting. They're like, "No, Corey, no zip
You
line."
keep,
Yeah, just keep dreaming, manifesting.
You keep putting in the suggestion box.
We'd make so much money with locals, everybody. If we had a zip line, like you lay down and fly, like.
That would be cool.
Yeah. As long as it's not too windy.